This is Joe Goodham from VORTEX Dredges again. We've got a new tool here that we've developed for a tier 1 client in the APAC region. What they want to do was measure the inside of an old wellhead. So they had a survey done of the wellhead, 3D survey. From that, a 3D representation of the top of the wellhead has been created. Also the top of the, or very top of the base of the wellhead. AX ring, or VX ring, sealing rings, and the inside of the wellhead in there as far as what they anticipate the internal structure might look like. The thing is, they don't know what it looks like, so we've been asked to come up with a tool to measure the transition, essentially this point here. Not sure if it comes out with a 3 3/4 pipe coming down or out to the 16 3/4 casing as we've represented here with the acrylic tube. So what we've done is develop this caliper tool, caliper system here. This can also be replaced by a camera, so we could drop a camera down the inside, but for the moment it's configured in the caliper tool. And this caliper tool, lean up please mate. We'll go up inside, and as it comes out of the transition, as you can see, the caliper legs are moving, and that's going to measure any difference in the internal diameter. Currently it's measuring the 16 3/4 diameter of the casing, which, as it says, represented by the acrylic tube that we've made. Now how that's measuring the system, the caliper measurement is transferred to this mechanical vernier on the top here. The cable transfers the caliper's opening dimensions into a linear motion, and as you can see here, it's measuring 16 3/4 right up to the 3 3/4 where it starts from. There can be a camera mounted on here that'll view the whole thing. So we've got two measurements going on. The actual depth that it transitions down, which will be referenced off this tube here. We haven't got the tape on at the moment, but that'll be, so the camera will measure how far it's gone down into the wellhead, and at which point then how far the wellhead opens up and what dimension. So the ROV will swim the whole tool down, fly it over the top of the wellhead. Up please Lynn. And then send the tool up and down the wellhead to determine what's actually happening inside. Now as you can see there, you'll see in the transition, down mate, as it's transitioning into the wellhead, the vernier gauge is moving. We're going pretty fast here at the moment. That'll be slowed down of course. So you get the general idea of what the tool does, measuring the internal dimensions of the wellhead and at what depth the dimension changes. Got 1.5 meters of stroke on this particular tool. Of course that can be changed to longer or shorter. Just another example of some of the custom tooling that we're doing here at VORTEX. Customer rings up, got an unusual job. Certainly not too big an issue to explore what needs to be done and get a simple and effective and cost-effective turnaround to make it happen for them. So any questions, just give us a holler. Thanks now.